In step three, we want to stay in a winning trade as long as possible, and this is where the custom RSI comes in. You may know about the regular RSI. It tells you when something is overbought or when something is oversold. However, this regular RSI indicator has been customized, and to this custom RSI will tell you when to stay in a trade for as long as possible. And that is the indicator right here below the volume over here. And so this is the S&P. It's a 1-year daily chart. And you can see that there are times when the custom RSI is in the bullish zone. And until it comes out of that bullish zone and into the bearish zone, you can stay in a trade. So for example, let's zoom in over here. And you can see that if you were in this trade somewhere here, even before this, if you were already in a bullish trade, you can see that the custom RSI remains in bullish. And it falls briefly towards the neutral. You may want to get out if you want to be safe, but you don't need to get out until it gets into the bearish zone. So these are zones, so to speak, and they're quite persistent. That's the way the custom RSI has been customized. So for example, here you can see that it really doesn't come out of that bullish zone at all, and it tells you how to stay in that trade. Conversely, even on the bearish side, it works similarly. So if you wanted to take a bearish trade somewhere here, you wouldn't be in this trade for too long, not as long as this bullish trade. This you can see that it is a very persistent trend. This would have been a trend for about 5 or 6 days, and that's it. Similarly, you will see that the custom RSI remains in the bullish zone for a long time. So this tells you to stay in this trade. You could be in this trade for almost 6 to 7 weeks, and you would be riding the trade all the way from here, which is about a 5080 level, all the way up to 5,600. So you can imagine what a huge run that would be if you were in this trade. Similarly, you can see also on the bearish side, you would be in this trade for maybe about a week or 8 days, and so on and so forth. Now, in the next video, which is the step 4, you'll see how to combine the custom RSI and the MTFT to give you the most powerful signals as to when to exit the trade. Now, the custom RSI also works in an intraday environment. So if we go into an intraday environment, which is a 1-minute chart, and if you're looking at the S&P futures here, you can see that we saw. Okay, let's just start from a little bit before that, and you can see that over here the custom RSI is persistently in the bearish zone. So this is on an intraday basis. So if you were day trading the SPX or the SPY, this is what you would see. And here you can see a really persistent trend over here, and you can see the price action also coming all the way from 5940 all the way to 5910. That's a fantastic trade on an intraday basis. So custom RSI has been customized, and it tells you how to maximize your profits. You don't need to come out of the trade unless the custom RSI changes zone, either from a bullish zone to a bearish zone or from a bearish zone to a bullish zone. Just because it falls into neutral, it may not be the time to exit. If you wanted to be safe, you could. And if you wanted to get back into the trade, you can. But custom RSI really helps you in a visual way to help you stay in a winning trade as much as possible. In step 4, we'll combine the two, and this really creates the most powerful signal to maximize your profits and exit the trade at the right time.